would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you well. This is another unit review from none other than Hairvivi. This unit, like all other Hairvivi units, will come pre-plucked with the knots bleached. It also will come with the fake scalp, which I have grown to love. And of course, it will have an adjustable elastic band, which will make this unit glueless. Let me go ahead and show you guys what this natural hairline is giving. Yeah, I know Hairvivi has one of the best HD lace in the business, and this unit will flawlessly blend in with your skin. Look how this looks, and it hasn't even been melted. So this is the bang. As you guys can see, it's really nicely cut in layers on the side. And this unit is kind of unique in the fact that you can wear it with a deep side part. You can wear it with a middle part. You can wear it with a bang straight to the front. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Just stay tuned. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my tinted mousse to this hairline just to help the lace melt and not move. And as I was putting it up in a ponytail, I thought this was looking kind of cute. Probably wear this in like a little updo style as well. So I'm going to put some on my paper towel. I did see Lorea Andrea do this, and it's a lot easier than me putting it on my finger. You can see that I missed a little spot near the parting area, and you're going to be able to notice the difference once I take the elastic band off to see the difference between how the mousse helps it melt as opposed to the areas that didn't have the mousse. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and take an elastic band and tie the hairline down for about 5 minutes. You really don't need much. And to be quite honest, you don't really even need to use a tinted mousse. A regular mousse would have served just fine. I actually feel like this tinted mousse actually darkened the hairline a little bit more because the hairline was really matching like A1 on point without applying anything. Let's comb this unit out and let's get into the cut. So I already cut the lace on this unit because I had to try it on because your girl don't really wear bangs. I don't know if you noticed, but I could probably count the amount of videos that I have a bang on my channel on one hand. But this particular unit is kind of unique in the fact that, like I mentioned earlier, I can wear it in a side part. So, you know, I am queen with the side parts. So I'm just trying out the different side parts. I did bump the hair a little bit right here to see how it looks with a slight bump. Not really sure if I prefer it to be loose, how it was straight out the box, or if I prefer the bump. It's really just up to you. So this is the side part. This is what the side part looks like. Now let's get into the other ways of styling this unit. So I am going to go ahead and do a middle part. Now you guys already know, if you're a friend of the channel, you already know middle parts and me don't really get along. But I will say that I'm not mad at this middle part, okay? So I have to kind of play with this and just kind of get the best way of styling it. But this unit is so easy. Like, it literally was take it out the box, throw it on. And as you see, all I'm doing is combing through to see how I want to style it. Now, this is what separates those cheap bang units and a Hairvivi bang units. A lot of those cheap bang units have it where it's just a bang and you can't really style it any other way. Not this one. These are curtain bangs, so you're really going to get the best of both worlds. It's not limited at all. I was going to experiment with combing it straight down, but bangs and me are not my friend. Let me keep it cute and keep it to the side and out the way. And as you can see, you can also wear your hair combed to the back with this unit. Look how natural that hairline is. Come on now. This is the Hairvivi difference. I keep telling y'all there's a Hairvivi difference, okay? So I decided I was going to add some couple of curls in it just to see what that looks like. And baby, I'm loving the curls, okay? The curls actually have me considering if I like the middle part better than the side part. What do you guys think? Which one looks best? Okay, dolls, so this is what the unit looks like with the middle part. Y'all already know I'm most likely going to just switch it back to the side part, but I wanted to show you the different options. One thing I do like about this unit is the fact that the way that it was cut, it allows you to have a different look depending on the way you part it. I feel like the middle part gives more of a shorter bang feel, whereas the side part helps elongate the bangs a little bit more. It's really about the way you prefer to rock your units. You guys already know I'm more team side part, so most likely I will wear it in the side part. Although the middle part looks okay, you know, I don't know. I'm just not used to me with bangs. It's something that I will have to get used to. But if you are a bang person, then I think you would really like this unit. It does allow you to have that versatility, as I mentioned. So I did wear this unit to the reception of my friend's wedding. If you guys saw my short I posted recently when I asked you guys to help me pick out the dress. As you can see, this is the dress I picked, and surprisingly, I rocked it in the middle part. Who would have thought? Also, Hairvivi did mention that they have these units cut by professional stylists, so you're going to get like a really good cut. It's not going to be like a basic cut. You could kind of see how the layers are formed on this unit. Let me stand up really quick so you can see what this unit looks like from the back. I believe this is a 20-inch, and as you can see, it lays pretty long. And of course, you know, it comes with this most natural lace that is blending so seamlessly with my skin. And the fake scalp allows me to not have to worry about adding any concealer. Literally makes it a throw on and go type unit. And the best thing about this all, she's glueless. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, of course, I got you covered. I'm going to have a coupon code for you. I'll put that across the screen. There's also a limited time code that's only valid for the next 24 hours. I'll also have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need your help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. And as always, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.